Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a cute banana. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page and we're going to do a long, slightly curved line down like this. So here we go. And we'll stop right about there. Okay, now let's go back to where we started and we'll do the top of the banana now. This is sort of the stem off the top of the banana. So this is going to be just sort of a straight line up like this with a little curve at the end, and then we'll curve it back and we'll connect it back to, this is where the other side of the banana is going to start. So let's just go right there like that. And now let's draw the other side of the banana. And this is a big backward sort of C line, big curve line. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. So here we go. Take your time. And then we'll connect it back here like that. That looks great. Okay, now let's, on the top of the banana, we'll do a little curve line to show the shape of the top like this. It gives it dimension. Okay, now let's draw the face on the banana. We're going to give it 2 eyes and a smiley mouth, a nose, and some eyebrows. So over here, let's do an oval shape here. So starting here, we'll do the 1 eye, and we'll make it an oval like that. And let's do the other eye over here, and we'll make this an oval like that. And then inside that oval, let's do some smaller circles. So one like this, and then a smaller one down like that. And then we'll do the same on this side. One like that, and then a smaller one attached like that. And let's color it in black. And this one in black. Like that. Okay, now let's give it a little tiny nose between the 2 circles and a little curve line like that. And now let's do the mouth underneath the nose here. So just a smiley line like that. And then we'll open the mouth up like that. Maybe add a tongue, and let's color it in black. All right, let's add some eyebrows. That. And okay, now we're gonna add some lines that go in the inside shape of the banana to give it some shape. So here we'll do, starting just down, we'll leave a little gap here, and we'll do a thin line like that, and then a little gap, and another thin line like that. And let's do one below the eye here. We'll do a big curve line down like this. And we'll stop right about there, like that. And then on the bottom here, let's add the bottom of the banana here. So we'll just do a curved line like that. All right. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm going to make my banana yellow, but you can make your banana any color you want. Maybe we'll do a darker yellow on the top here to give it some dimension. And then we'll do a brown at the bottom. Let's make the tongue red. And maybe we give it some pink cheeks to make it extra cute. Remember to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video. Ask your parents to like and subscribe.